I love the way I'm looking. Yeah, I'm terrible. I am loving the way I'm looking. Still terrible. Hello angels, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Today we're gonna be doing a little bit of spring makeup thing going on, you know what I mean? I'm gonna be doing a spring inspired makeup. So when I think of spring, I think of glowy, I think of sunshine, I think of glowy. So it could be a bronze look, it could be a colorful look, but it to be glowy. So that is what I'm gonna do today. So I'm gonna go get my eyebrows done and I'll be right back. I'm gonna be using my cut crease canvas. This is what it looks like. I'll be going for a sort of a yellow look. I'm not 100% certain yet, but we'll see. I'm going to be using this palette from Obsession. It's the Be Crazy About by Obsession, which is like a sister brand from Makeup Revolution. So this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. It's literally just 10 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 10 colors. So I'm gonna be using the yellow in this palette. I've never done all yellow look before. I'll try. There's always a first day for every time. Okay, that is all done. Alright, I'm gonna be using this palette. This is the Foil Frenzy. So I'm thinking I should use this gold. Let me see. Oh, okay. Wow. So I'm dipping back into the yellow. By the way, the yellow is called Joy. All this while, it's literally called Joy. Literally, it's called Joy. So anyways, I'm dipping inside Joy, and I'll use that to blend this, so it could have a seamless. I don't want it to look like a cut crease. So I'm not going for a cut crease today. Yeah. Just like that. Okay. I'll be using this from Lola Makeup. I use it to apply my liner. Basically, I'll use this to draw my wing line. Okay, I like that. So I'll be using the Lola Infinite Lash Mascara. So I'll just apply that to my lashes. I will go apply my lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, my eyes are done. So I'm gonna be using this. This is the Pore Reducing Primer by Obsession. I've had this for so long. Oh god. I'll be using my Colourpop foundation in the shade 175, dark 175. I will use the e.l.f. Cosmetics concealer in Deep Chestnut. So I'll use the Revolution setting powder in Deep Dark, Banana Deep, something deep. Alright, I'll just be dusting that, just dusting on my face. Today, I'll be using these two MUA powders. I'll be using the MUA Pro Base Full Coverage Matte Priced Powder. This is in the shade 192, and I'll use that to bronze or contour. Okay, I'll be using the Shook palette. So this is the most important bit. This is everything we've been working so hard for. Yeah. Alright, I'm using the Colourpop Peach liner. I'm using Obsession Makeup lipstick, liquid lipstick. This is Captivated. This is the Colourpop lipstick in LAX. I'm gonna apply that in my waterline. I'll apply Joy to my waterline. Okay, I'll be using Hyaluronic Hydrating Essence Spray. This is from Revolution Skincare. So I'll spray that all over my face. Okay, I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so this is my spring inspired makeup. What do you guys think about it? Because I love it. I actually do love it. As in, what's not to love? It's glowy. Check out that glow. By the way, that Shook palette is top notch. I love the way this makeup turned out, and I got to use this palette, which I love. I love this palette, and obviously everybody loves this. So these two palettes are the bomb-diggities. They are so beautiful. This is gonna be my thumbnail. I love it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section. And if there is anything you guys want to tell me, please let me know down in the comment section, or check me out on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. And if anything at all, or if you guys want to recreate this look and tag me in it, that's fine. Tag me and I would respond. So thank you guys so much for watching this, and remember, keep living and keep doing you. Ciao. Oh shit.